But imagine that you have a personal assistant that remembers things about you, your favorite color, your favorite car, your favorite food, whenever you do an exercise or whatever you like or don't like. All right, these kind of agents are very personal in nature. It means they serve a niche market. All right, and we can use these agents, we can create these kind of agents, and because they have a memory layer on top of that that remembers key information about a user. We can build this agent like the customer support agent. We can build a healthcare agent. We can build a finance agent for this. And there are different tools that are in the market, and I've been exploring a couple of those. And one of the favorite tools that I like, it's called the mem0. It is a very good tool. It is a very popular tool, and here is a GitHub repository for that. It's a memory layer for your personalized AI. Under the hood, it uses something we called the vector databases that stores embeddings, because it stores all those memories as vectors in a embedding vector databases. And I'm using this in this demo. I'll be showing you how it actually works. All right, because the important part of this is that it remembers the conversation across different sessions, not only the current ones. So I can use this, we can have the same experience, a personalized experience across different sessions. All right, so first thing first, that I'm using the Google API. It means that I'm using Gemini models. I'm using custom models because by default these mem tools or mem0 tools are using OpenAI configurations, and for this I'm setting up I'm using text embedding model from Google, and I'll be using Gemini Flash latest for this. And this one is actually the agent. That's how we create an agent in Agno, which is a very good framework for building this kind of stuff. The instruction, this is a system instruction to give to the agent to remember that it's a practical corporate assistant. And we have to define some tools as a memory tools in this, and applying configuration that I defined right here. All right, I'm using ChromaDB for vector database to store all those embeddings that the agent will use to recall the memory. All right, first prompt, I am requesting the agent to remember a couple of information about the Q4 budget, and we have a marketing budget around 2 million, R&D 5 million, operation 3 million, HR 1 million, and total variance limit of 10%. All right, so if I run this prompt, you will be able to see that it calls a tool and adds that information into the memory.py. It has successfully added a couple of information like the contents that I defined in the first prompt. So in the second prompt, I asked that what is the Q4 total budget variance limit, and it used a tool. It searched the memory and looked for information about total budget variance limit, and after that it has given me the response that it is 10%, which I defined in this prompt, which is 10%. All right, and that's how we interact with the agent. And it is better if I explain to you visually, and I have created this simple Streamlit application that we can run. Streamlit run app.py. This will give us a very good user interface that I can see. We can also update the memory of the agent, and if I want to change that the Q4 total budget variance limit is 20%, this will update the memory of the agent. I have noted that the budget memory is 20%. Is there anything? Okay, so it has updated the memory. Now if I run this same prompt here, it would give us a different value, an updated one. See, we have a budget allocation is 20%. Okay, so companies and individuals are using these agents, and they are embedding these kind of personalized assistants into their daily workflows because they are very useful. They remember, they have a memory, they have a persistent memory that is used across different sessions, and which makes these agents very personal. All right, here we have a GitHub repository for this tool, and you should check this out. Thank you.